Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device has an IR camera or fingerprint sensor and is updated to Windows 10 or 11. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account and open Settings, Accounts, Sign-in options. Add a PIN first because Hello requires a fallback. Make sure drivers are current, update via Windows Update or Device Manager. Now, position yourself about an arm's length from the camera. Keep lighting steady. This gets you ready for the first biometric enrollment. You tap Windows Hello Face or Fingerprint and follow the guided prompts. Look directly into the camera, hold still, and let the system scan. For Fingerprint, place and lift your finger slowly so it captures edges. If enrollment stalls, reposition or clean the sensor, then retry. The interface shows progress rings and tips. Once enrollment completes, add an alternate appearance or extra fingers for reliability, and make sure your PIN meets complexity rules. These steps reduce false rejects and speed daily unlocks. You finish by locking the PC and testing unlock with the enrolled biometric. Sign out and sign in to confirm consistent behavior. If you want, enable Windows Hello for apps and websites in the same sign-in options panel so you use biometrics across services. If issues arise, for example, frequent failures or no detection, update the camera or sensor driver, toggle Windows Hello off and on, and re-enroll. Also check camera privacy settings and lighting. These final checks keep Hello fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.